Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out the F4 Silicone Facial Cover made by Kiwi Design. This is for your MetaQuest 3S facial interface. It retails for $23 Canadian on their website, currently on sale for $18. You can also use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off of anything on their website. In this one I'm going to unbox it. I'll show you how to put it on, talk about it, and then give you my review of it. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I'll link that playlist below. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, so inside of the box, as you can see, we have the silicone facial cover and our little instruction manual that I just took a look at. This is obviously silicone and it's going to fit around our facial interface. It does have these little flaps here that are going to go around where your nose is to stop light leakage around the nose to kind of create a more immersive experience there. So on the Quest 3S right here, I have the stock facial interface. I just took it off. If you're interested in taking it off to install it, just pinch around the sides and pull. So to put this on, all it says to do is just wrap it around the interface itself. And so I don't know where the best place necessarily is to start. I'm just going to start in the middle here. And I'm starting on just one side and then I'll come back. There we go. Now I'm coming back on the inside there. That seems to be working pretty good. Okay, there we go. That's on there. I'm going to attach this back onto Quest 3 there. I'm going to give this a little bit of a test and then I'll come. Okay, so I did go out. I did use it a little bit here. I've already wiped it off too, which is really nice. That's one of the main perks of something like this is you can just go and wipe it off and then you can use it again, and it's really easy to clean, much more easy to clean than the fabric of the stock facial interface there. The nose piece down here to make it more immersive really actually worked. It took just one adjustment and then there was no light leakage at all coming in from around my nose area, which was really nice. So this is going to help create more of an immersive experience when you're using this as well. Since it is silicone instead of fabric, obviously your sweat's not going to soak into it. It's going to just kind of be there. So when I was testing it with a high intensity game, I did feel the need to kind of wipe my forehead off more. But I guess that's good though, because then you're not getting the actual interface dirty. You can just wipe this off, and that is keeping it nice and clean. All right, so if you're looking at getting something that is less expensive than a full new facial interface, if you don't mind the comfort and the padding on the stock interface, but you want something that can be easily cleaned and makes it a bit more immersive with these nose grips down here, this is definitely a good option for you to check out. It retails for $22 Canadian on their website. It's currently on sale at the time of posting for $18 Canadian. You can also use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off of your purchase. And that goes for all accessories on the Kiwi's website. Make sure you check out all of my accessory reviews. I've reviewed their H4 boost, the K4 boost. Here's the V4 facial interface that goes on the Quest 3S. I've reviewed all those and many, many more. And you can use that promo code for all of those on their website. If you have any questions about this, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.